Meanwhile, travel to Las Vegas with us.
Try this again.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a do-over. We're gonna try this again. This time we're gonna go in here and we're gonna actually pay for our food and we are gonna eat. It is brunch time, so we're gonna have a nice little brunch before heading out with our day. And that is moving between hotels. So here we go. Again, it's 11 a.m. in the morning, so don't let the fact that there's not that many people here discourage you. We in Vegas, people usually don't get up in Vegas till like noon. That's when they wake up. That's when their eyes open, okay? We're here early because we had to check out and move hotels this morning. And it was like, let's come down here and get a nice little breakfast situation going. Okay, y'all, so here at Nellie's, we decided to go with some of their more popular things. So we decided to go with their bread basket. So it looks like it has like their homemade biscuits, plus their cinnamon rolls up in here, and so it's Nellie's signature biscuits, along with cinnamon, honey, butter, and seasonal jam. And then we did the Southern rolls, y'all. This Southern roll is filled with barbecue chicken, mac and cheese, bacon, and drunken collards, rolled in a crispy fried egg roll, served with their homemade sweet chili sauce, y'all. All right, so now we're gonna see if all of those flavors actually go together.
Oh, yes, they do.
They do? Here's the roll, and I put some of the sauce on it.
Hold on.
It is good. I'm gonna put one of these pickled onions on it. This is spicy. I already tasted it. Definitely a must try. Now see what this biscuit talking about. I'm eating it naked first. That's a good biscuit.
Now I was wondering if this soulful place is actually good, because it's pretty much on the strip of Las Vegas, so you could just imagine. But it was really good.
So he's like, soul food in Vegas? Who does that?
Well, they did it.
They did it, and we only ate
a little bit some more.
Look, and we only ate a biscuit and an egg in a roll so far. Oh my gosh, but it's good. And for our entree, we decided to go with the classic shrimp and grits, but these are not so classic. So it looks like we have the sauce. Not sure if that's a grit sauce. No, it's like a cream. And then there's grit cakes underneath of the shrimps.
Thank you. Come on, enjoy.
So far, so good. Let's taste these shrimp and grits. You like them? Oh, he's so fast.
How's everything over here, guys?
It's good.
I'll get you my water, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, so honestly, I'm gonna say these aren't my favorite shrimp and grits,
They're all different.
but they're not bad. Yeah,
I
they're
haven't
not.
had shrimps and grits like this. I can't even remember. But I know I had tasted some good ones, but I can't recall right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna say these aren't my favorite. I think I prefer the loose grits rather than the grit cake. And I feel like it can stand to have a little more diversity and flavor, but it's not bad. But honestly, me and Jay was always talking about this. We would definitely highly recommend this place, and we would definitely come back for that egg roll, for these biscuits, and we would try something different, like probably their chicken and waffles. I just didn't want to. I always do chicken waffles. I wanted to do something a little different. So that's where we at so far.
I would reorder the shrimps and grits, but not if I come back the second time because I want to try the menu out.
Yeah, it's like this is a place that makes you excited to actually try the different things that they have to offer, right? You know how some places you're like, no, I'm gonna just stick with that one thing, but this place actually, I would actually try different things. So here at Nellie's Southern Kitchen, the other thing is they do a cobbler with seasonal fruit, and this season's fruit is peach. So we had to try the peach cobbler, even though I am stuffed. I do not like or recommend this peach cobbler. It's almost like it's a bunch of crumbs.
Yeah, on top of the peaches.
That? So it's not a consistent pie crust or a cobbler crust. It's a bunch of crumbs sprinkled over the peaches. So there's no consistent dough or no. So when you eat it, it just tastes like a bunch of crinkly crumbs in your mouth. So pass on this one, guys. Pass on this. All right, guys. So now we are in our new home. We checked into the Venetian, and we're about to go up to our room and see how that looks and goes. And then I'm going to go back to the conferences after that. All right, let's go. Okay, so here is our room, and I'm struggling. Okay, so we are here, and she told us that we have an upgraded room, which means that the view is upgraded. So we are gonna see what that means and what that looks like. But look at this room. You got the mirrors on the doors of the bathroom. The bathroom is a whole situation. You got your makeup area. Nice fluffy rug. Vanity with the green marble tops. Gold accents. You have the TV up there as well. You have the bathtub that's not a jacuzzi, which everybody prefers. With the gold fixtures, your standing shower. It's a little smaller than the other showers, but it looks wonderful. Oh, and here's our watering closet. And then we come this way. This is a lockout suite. And then look at that. Nice king bed, purple accents. We have the closet here. In the closet, we have robes, slippers, iron and ironing board, which Jay loves. The closet lights come out automatically when you open the doors. We have a dresser with some drinkware and a TV situated inside of a custom-made picture frame. Looks beautiful. And then we have a sunken living room area where we have 2 sitting chairs, a pull-out sofa situation, nice big table, a eating table. We have another console, which, let's see, yeah, refrigerators inside. But are we allowed? Nope, not allowed to use it because it is filled with their things. That if you move them, they are censored. So if you move them, that's how you will be charged. Yeah, and then here's another TV. So you got 2 TVs, one that you can see from the bed, one that you can see from the sofa area. And then we have a work desk and a table, which can also double as a work desk. You can come out. Come out wherever you are. Okay, y'all, we about to go see the view. I don't think they have balconies here. All right, it's a big wind shade. But how you lift the shades up?
Oh, it rolls up. What we call it?
Oh, wait. Oh, it has a switch. I'm about to pull that thing down. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Okay, shade. You're a little crooked, but we'll take it. All right, and here is our view. This is the view she says that you pay for.
The back? I thought it was the front. Oh, it's the front. This is the front.
It is. Well, it's a side front. But look, down there.
All these pools.
Yeah, down there's the pools. Ooh, the pools look nice. Y'all see all them pools down there? Okay, pools. What you're gonna do is like, this room is so cool, decor wise, space wise, but it doesn't have amenities. So, babe, what do you think? Do you take amenities or do you take a cool room?
Well,
Ain't no leftover eating here.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.